I'm rolling.
All right, so we're gonna start. We open the propane tank. I got the regulator set to right about 12 psi. This is the first startup of the day, so I want to dry it out first. I'm just gonna use a torch to start it, and we're up and running. I don't want to run it too hot yet. I want to dry it out, so I'm going to turn on all the valves for just a minute or so. Let it heat up enough to start getting the gas or the water out of the refractory material on the sides of the forge. So we're just going to run it for a minute, then we're going to shut her down, let it sit for a couple minutes, let all that evaporate out, then we can start it up for real. That's probably good there. You can see, probably can't see on the film, there's a lot of white smoke coming out the side here. That's really steam coming out. It's mostly gone now, unfortunately. You can see a little bit of moisture. It'll evaporate as it dries out here.
See that like crazy.
Yeah. I'm actually going to run it again for a second, see if I can get more of that out. Make sure we get it good and hot. But not run up to temperature yet. You don't want it to break some refractory material. Thrilling, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it is cool. It really is.
We'll just give it a minute or so to kind of evaporate out, and then we'll fire her up for real.
Cool.